Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger wrong credential, invalid username or password problem in Messenger application. The error wrong credential, invalid username or password in Messenger means the system cannot automatic your login details with the server. There is a classic authentication failure problem. Let's see how to fix wrong credential, invalid username or password problem in Messenger. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected or stable connection. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Open your Messenger application. Enter your correct email or phone number or password. You can follow all of the steps to fix wrong credential, invalid username or password problem in Messenger application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.